But a cell is a three-dimensional structure, so we'll just see the face when the knife is cut. All right? And so a cube-shaped cell is going to be called a cuboidal cell, meaning cube shape. In reality, it will be the shape of the nucleus that's going to suggest the shape of the cell, because most of the time you can't see cell membranes too well and all like that. Another cell shape will look as though the cuboidal cell, which is going to be our reference point, our reference cell. Imagine if the cube-shaped cell was stretched so that it's elongated, okay? So when the cell is stretched, it would tend to look taller than it is wide. And the shape of the nucleus is going to suggest that it's been stretched. And so the nucleus will be oval like this, and it would be toward the base of the cell. Instead of talking about the top of the cell and the bottom, we're going to use the term the base of the cell. That's going to be the part of the cell closest to the basement membrane, in the case of epithelium. And then the top of the cell will be called the apex, or the apical part of the cell. Okay, the reason that we don't use top or bottom is because if we talk about top and bottom, the top of this cell would be here, next to the free space. The bottom of the cell will be here, next to the basement membrane. But now, look at this cell that's kind of upside down. The top of this cell would be here, and the bottom would be up here. So you see how using the words top and bottom doesn't fit. But basal will mean toward the basement membrane. The base or basal region will be toward the basement membrane. And then the other part, opposite that, will be the apical region, the apex or the top.